Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Check the Ps99 firmware and back up your current RAID configuration. This prevents data loss. Next, inspect the RAID controller. Look for high temperature, failing smart indicators, and loose cables. Once done, boot into maintenance mode and stop the auto RAID service so you can make changes without interference. This sequence reduces risk and isolates the system. It also ensures you control the process, rather than letting automatic routines overwrite manual fixes. Now you identify the degraded arrays and record exact drive slots and serial numbers to avoid swapping errors. Remove or reinitialize any failed drives. When a drive is marginal, perform a secure wipe, then re-add it so the controller treats it as new. Next, start a controlled rebuild, and if necessary, use a forced rebuild option, but monitor system load. Finally, adjust auto RAID thresholds and rewrite policy so future rebuilds favor stability and avoid premature demotions during heavy Finish by running a full scrub and checksum validation to confirm array integrity and capacity. Once you see clean results, re-enable auto RAID, but set conservative timing and enable email/SNMP alerts so you catch regressions early. Make sure to document the changes you made for future maintenance. If something goes wrong, such as a rebuild failing, stop the service, isolate the suspected bad drive, review controller logs for error codes, and restore from the backup you made earlier while you prepare replacement hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.